We're here today at RHS Wisley and we've been running a children's model making design workshop because last summer, you might remember, we won RHS Gold, BBC People's Choice Award and Best in Show at Hampton Court for our wild garden. The RHS have asked us to help them develop a new nature play space here at RHS Wisley.
We're looking to open the new play garden in the first part of 2019, which coincides with the opening of our new front of house building at Welcome Landscape.
Well, we believe that the design process is as important as the end product, possibly even more important. If we can foster ownership of the project, there'll be respect and understanding of what went into it to create it. So we've done a model making workshop here today, and when we get on site, we'll be getting the same children back along and getting them involved in some self-build of the actual space. So the models and the plants all together have woven together such an exciting and interesting day, and it's a format we'll be taking forward on our future model making workshops.
There's lots of research to show that children really benefit for being in contact with nature, and by nature we really mean plants. So we like to include lots of planting in our playgrounds, because that really helps children to get close to them, they can touch them, they can run around, they can make dens under big trees. We've been working with all kinds of aromatic plants. Texture, we're very keen on using shiny leaves against matte leaves, so texture is very important. Colour, we use some colour in our planting, so that children can really understand that plants are part of all aspects of our life.
Children's sense of smell is still relatively undeveloped in many ways, and so it's been quite interesting seeing how children associate with scent in quite a different way. They're much more familiar with the very obvious things like mints and lemons, and they also make a lot of visual associations. So things that look like a mint plant, they assume will smell like mint, even though it doesn't, they will still tell you it does.
These types of workshops for the RHS are probably quite unique, this type of workshop. It's a first for me and it's a first for the RHS, I think.